Hi everyone, this is Lisette, and we're going to go through the flip through of the finished wallet. I'm so excited the way this came out. I really love the way that it's so functional, and it's fully customized to my needs. So here I added a little composition book. This mini composition book, you can locate it at a Dollar Tree, your local Dollar Tree. If you want to create one of your own, just visit the description box above. I will also leave the links at the end of this video. This little book will be great for my journaling, my notes. I am a woman of faith, so I like to write down some prayers as well. So this will come in handy if I am out and about and I have something in mind and I just want to write it down. This will be specifically for that book. There's plenty of writing space. I added some scripture cards in the back side and on the other side with a paper clip. And I also have a second little book, and it says "Like a Boss." That bird paper clip, I bought that at Michael's in case you are interested. This book will be used specifically for grocery lists. I tend to forget sometimes. I am a busy mom of 3, so this will help me stay a little more organized. I inserted some tags that says happiest day. You know, sometimes grocery shopping can be a chore. Hey, it is for me. So I also put another little tag with an elephant that says I almost forgot. That coffee cup clip is also from Michael's. So I'm excited that I could use these books as lists. And here I added a pocket adhesive. This pocket adhesive is from Target. I will be inserting my appointment cards for my kids, and there is a tag in there that I put. It says "You are precious to me." Now I had to cut down the appointment cards a little bit because they didn't fully fit, but that's okay. As long as the information's in there, I'm perfectly fine with that. Here I inserted my gift cards. Sometimes I'm bad. I go out shopping and I forget my gift cards. I know. So I said, okay, well, this will keep me, organized, and I could just put them all in there. And when I'm out and about, I could use them. And there you'll see it. And there is an extra elastic cord at the end that I'm not fully sure what I'm going to use it for yet. I think this wallet will be evolving as I go along, and I'm thinking of creating a pocket for receipts, but I'm not sure yet. So if you have any ideas for me, comment below. I would love to hear from you. And this is the complete flip through. Again, like I said, I love the way that it's customized to your needs, and I hope you will create one of your own. This wallet is so cute. It looks great in my purse. Trust me, I was like ecstatic when I finished it. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and tell me what you think. I would love to know your comments. Give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and here are the links for the rest of the projects. God bless, and until next time, bye-bye.